With you guys today I'm going to watch Avengers and I'm too excited and really can't contain my excitement. Yeah, and कब से wait कर रही थी ये movie आएगी and I'll go there and watch this movie. So finally I'm going. So keep watching this vlog guys because it's gonna be very interesting. I reached early, so I thought मैं थोड़ा सा खा लूँ because I'm too hungry. अभी movie start नहीं हुई है and I'm waiting. अभी थोड़ा सा time है क्योंकि I think 1 घंटे बाद show है. So till then I'll binge on this ice cream. अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ अंदर पीवीआर सिनेमाज के and I'm too excited. I'll be watching this movie in 4DX and I can't control myself right now because I'm too excited and it's taking so long to start the movie yaar. And let's see movie कैसी होगी. I'm too excited. Yeah. You can see behind me the Avengers poster. Being a true Avenger fan, I'm wearing the Captain America cap also. Feeling the true spirit of an Avenger fan. I'm too excited, guys. Guys, movie खत्म हो गई है and it was amazing, you know. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखी है तो please go and watch it if you are an Avenger fan. But believe me, it was awesome. I was blown away with everything which was shown in the movie. Oh God, I wish Avengers खत्म नहीं होती. And but yes, of course, कोई भी अच्छी चीज़ कभी ना कभी खत्म तो होती ही है. So yeah, seriously, I think I gonna watch it again maybe. So I think I'll go now. It was lovely watching Avengers and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.